Hello friends, today we are going to see about loft command and Ansys design modeler. Loft command is nothing but it connects two different profile to create a 3D component. Two dissimilar profile which gives a 3D profile. For that we should take a geometry to create the basic sketch, and the basic sketch is help to develop the loft command. So we should prefer the component system to take the geometry. Here the toolbox, the geometry is presenting. We should drag the geometry and release here. It will generate the dialog box, and make a right click, then take the new design modeler geometry. Now we are stepped into Ansys design modeler, and this blue color screen is called as a workspace, Ansys design modeler workspace, and this is the tryout that it helps to locate the view of the sketch or the 3D objects. And this is the model tree, and it includes the body, spots, sketches, and the sketch planes also. Here first we should prefer a plane to create a sketch. First I'm going to take the XY plane and take the new sketch. Here the sketch 1 is presenting, and this is the sketch 1. For here in the workspace, make a right click and go to lookat. Lookat is used to the sketch view, and the sketch tools are available in the sketching option. Here the sketch tools, that is the draw, modification, dimension, constraint, settings, all the tools are representing. Here first we prefer the draw tool, and before that check the units. Meter, here meter, centimeter, millimeters are presenting. It is based upon our need. Now I'm going to prefer millimeter. See here the unit was converted as mm. Now I'm drag here. Now I'm going to create a rectangle. Here we see the rectangle. See, this is our rectangle. Take the left click and drag here. It's a corner to corner rectangle. Now I'm going to give the dimension. For dimension, click the dimension tab, and the dimensions are generated. Here general, horizontal, and the types of dimension were available. Now I'm take the general dimension. For general, h1 is representing, it is the dimension value, and v1 no, it's a v2. h1 is horizontal and v2 is vertical line. Now I'm going to change the values. Here I'm going to take the 100, and here I'm going to take a 75. Horizontal 100 mm and vertical 75 mm. Now I'm going to change the dimension of the in between gap to the origin to the left side of the rectangle. For that also I'll take the dimension, that is horizontal one, h3. I'm going to change the h3 value as half of 75, it is 37.5. Now half of the 100, take 50 mm, because horizontal line is 100 mm. For that we take 50 mm to create a equal space to the origin from the origin to left side and the right side. and I'm going to take the vertical dimension from the origin to downwards of the rectangle. Here I'm going to give the half of the vertical value, that is 37.5. Now we got the rectangle and its midpoint was placed in the origin exactly. Now I'm going to create another plane for a new profile. This is the first profile and I'm going to change the plane, that is nothing but we should take the new plane. Here the model tab and this is the toolbar. So in the toolbar new plane icon is generating. Click the new plane icon and select the option from plane. Choose this as from plane and select the from coordinates. Here we are seeing the coordinate points. We should prefer the z-axis for the elevation of the new plane. The z-axis, reason of the z-axis is horizontally upward to the base profile. So we should prefer the z-axis to create a dissimilar profile for our loft command. So now I'm giving a 50 mm elevation. See, the highlighted area was generated a new plane. This plane is the base plane for the new sketch. After that I give the generate command and take the new sketch. The plane 4 will generate the sketch 2. Go to sketching tab again and click lookout for the sketch view. Now we are going to select another rectangle. So I'm going to select another rectangle. Again I drag the rectangle, give the dimension horizontal and vertical. Now I'm going to change the dimension as 50 and vertical as 35. So now I'm going to give the equal dimension for left side, that is 25 is half of the 50, and vertical dimension for the downwards of the rectangle, that is 17.5. So now it was perfectly placed on the mid of the origin, mid of the plane. So now we are going to the modeling tab, and this sketch 1 is the base sketch. The yellow color highlighted is the base sketch, and sketch 2 is the new sketch. Using these two sketch, we prefer the loft command. Using these two sketch, we use the loft command. So here the menu bar, the loft skin or loft command is representing. Click the loft command. Here it will show some options. So we should select the profiles. Here the profile is generator, so we should select the base profile and press the control button to select another profile. See, the highlighted yellow color profile was selected. After that apply the profiles. See, the blue color is ready to loft. It shows ready to loft, and this path is the connection of the two different profiles. So this path representing this two profile was connected. So this is the command execution of the loft, and finally we have to generate the tool for our visibility. After generation, the loft command will execute the object. Here the base sketch is a different profile and the top sketch is the different profile. So the concept of the loft tool is to connect a dissimilar two profiles or multiple profiles to create a multi-sections object. The loft tool connects the dissimilar or two different cross section or two or more than two cross sections here. So now we are going to see two different profiles. Here we plot the smaller rectangle and the biggest rectangle. Now we are going to change the profile here. Now I'm going to change the top area as a circle one. So for that we are going to the sketch again and back to look at and delete the sketch. So now we have take the circle. Here the circle tool is presenting. Now I'm going to take a circle. I draw a new circle and I'm going to give a dimension for the circle. Here I'm going to give a 50 mm diameter circle here. Now I'm going to generate and again I'm going to see my two profiles are selected, but still now I can't see the my two profiles are selected, but still now I can't see my loft command or my new converted object, because the reason is nothing but the base plane. We have the base sketch, it is a rectangle one. It has the four corners. These four corners create a these four corners has a vertex point, and the vertex point is the base for the loft command, because these vertex points helps to generate the loft command in a regular path. So but the second sketch we don't have any vertex point, it has only one midpoint, but this here we have only one point, but the base we have 4 points. These 4 points will connect the top 4 point and it will make a new profile. For then only the loft tool will generate, but here we have only 1 point, so that's why we still know we did not have the new profile or a new geometry, 3D geometry. For that we should divide it as a 4 object. Here 1 point, here 1 point, and the right corner and the left corner. So we should split as a 4 object. After that we will prefer the loft command. So again we are going to sketch tool for the editing. So now I'm going to modify the rectangle. I'm going to modify the circle. Here the modification tool is available. The split tool is presenting here. Take the split tool and divide it as a 4 object, because the rectangle has 4 sides. The 4 and here the 4 is equal to create a uniform profile. First, second point, third point and fourth point. Now we have divided our circle in 4 sections. Here we see this is one arc and this is one arc and this one arc and this one arc. So 4 arcs are presenting here. Now we are going to select. Again we are going to generate. See, now we see the loft command executed the 3D object. So this is the base profile and this is the top profile. So this is the two different profile which creates a new geometry. It's like a frustum or a half pyramid. For these different profiles, the loft tool is helping to create the two dissimilar or more than two. The concept of the loft tool is used to create the base sketch, and the top sketch used to create a two different profile, and the loft tool is help to create a different cross section or more than different cross section, it will connect the cross sections 2 or more than 2. And the last option we are seeing here is here the thin surface is generating. Now I'm going to click yes, and here default they give 1 mm thickness. I gave the 2 mm thickness. After that I'm using the generate tool. So here we are seeing it as a hollow profile. So it is the inward thickness. Now I'm going to give a outer thickness 3 mm, and again I'm going to give the generate tool. See, this is our sketch, and the inner area is the 2 mm thickness and the outer area is the 2 mm thickness. This is our inner area and this is our outer area. The blue color is my sketch, and this is the inward thickness, and this is the outer thickness. The purpose of the thin or surface option is helps to create a hollow object for our need. So to creation of hollow object, we can prefer the thickness operation. These all are the operations we can did, and we will do in the loft command. And we should change the view to see the visibility. Yeah, finally we are coming to the end of the loft tool. So now we cover all the operation in loft tool, and this is the basic operation to create a multi sections or multiple sections or 2 or more than 2 section, more than 2 different cross section to create different profiles. So this is the loft command in ANSYS design modeler.